Good morning, my dear students. I hope to all are safe and secure. Stay home and stay safe. Welcome back to online maths classes. All the previous classes, exercise 2.4 completed. Now we are going to exercise 2.5. Previous class is exercise 2.4 completed. Now today we are going to exercise 2.5. Solve the first Roman. Solve the following equations. Solve the following equations. So first question is n by 5 minus 5 by 7 equal to 2 by 3. So here once observe that. So it is a n term. It is a one term and second term. First term and second terms. So it is a constant. Totally numerator and denominator is the constant terms is there. Then here one variable is there. So now I will write here. So n by 5 equal to 2 by 3 plus, because here is equal to in left side is the negative quantity is there. Then will become it a positive quantity. So 5 by 7. So here n by 5 equal to, so I will take here it is a possible of addition? No, because of it is a division terms are there. So then you will take the LCM. So it is a two or different odd numbers. So it is a take the LCM is 7 3 is 21. So 21 how many times of possible? 7 times. So 7 into 2. Here 2 is there. 2 plus 7 how many times of possible in 21? 3 times. So 3 into 5 divided by 21. So here n by 5 equal to 7 2s are 14 plus 3 5s are 15 by 21. So here n by 5 is equal to 14 plus 15. It is a 29 by 21. Now I do the cross multiplication. So here n into 21 is equal to 21 into 5. Okay. Therefore here it is a multiplication quantity becomes to divided by quantity. 29 into 5 by 21. So here any table of possible? No. So then 29 into 5. 5 29s. 9 5s are 45. So 5 2s are 10 plus 4. 14. So here n equal to 145 by 21. Okay children. Did you understand this problem? Okay. Next third question. Z by 2 plus Z by 3 minus Z by 6 equal to 8. So it is a, here is equal to left side is a 3 terms are there. Okay children, it is a right side is a 1 term is a. So once observe that here 3 terms are in one variable is there. So now let us take the LCM. So take LCM. What is the LCM? Least common multiple. So here 2, 3, 6. 2 table is possible. 1 time 3, 3 2s are 6. Again here next second step is the 3 table is possible. 1, 1. So here terms is 2 into 3 into 1 into 1 into 1. Okay. So 2 3s are 6, 6 1s are 6, 6 1s are 6 and 6 1s are 6. So it is LCM is a 6. So here that is equal to by 6. So 2 is 6 in how many times of possible in 6? 3 times. 3 2s are 6. 3 into z numerator plus 3 second term in denominator 3 is there. 3 is how many times of possible in 6? 2 times. 2 into z minus 6 in one time possible 1 into z is equal to 8. So here 3 into z 3z plus 2 into z 2z minus 1 into z by 6 is equal to 8. So here 3z plus 2z, it is a variables are same and powers also same. Then I will do the addition. 3z plus 2z 5z minus z by 6 equal to 8. Here 5z minus z 4z by 6. 4z by 6 equal to 8. So here not there of denominator any number. So then I will do the cross multiplication. So here 4z equal to 8 into 6. Okay children, next. Therefore z is equal to, so here multiplication quantity is there. So is equal to becomes to 8 into 6 by divided by quantity. So here 4 in 2 times possible in 8. 4 2s are 8. Z is equal to 2 into 6. Therefore z is equal to 12. Okay children. Next question. 2p by 3 minus p by 5 is equal to 11 2 by 3. So here in the two terms in the p is a common is there. It is another method. Okay children. So once observe that given that it is a LHS and it is a RHS. Now write here 2p by 3 minus p by 5 is equal to, it is a mixed fraction changed to improper fraction. 3 into 11. 3 11s are 33 plus 2 by 3. So here it is two terms of p is a common will be there. So now I will take the p is a common. So p means 2 by 3 minus 1 by 5 equal to 33 plus 2 35 by 3. So now here we will take the 3 5s are 15 LCM. Now take LCM equal to 3 5. It is possible of any tables. It is a two odd number. So it is not possible of any table. So 3 5s are 15. So LCM is a 15. So here p into, so LCM is a 15. So 3 how many times of possible in 15? 5 times. 5 into 2 minus 5 how many times of possible in 15? 3 times. So 3 into 1 equal to 35 by 3. Okay, next here p into 5 2s are 10 minus 3 1s are 3 by 15 is equal to 35 by 3. Here 10 minus 3, it means of p into 7 by 15. 10 minus 3 means 7 by 15 equal to 35 by 3. So here it is a multiplication quantity. P is equal to 35 by 3 into then it is a division quantity, becomes to it is a reverse fraction, 15 by 7. Okay children. So here 7 is the 35 in 5 times possible. 7 5s are 35. Here 3 is a 3 5s are 15. 3 table possible in 15 5 times. Therefore P is equal to 5 into 5. Therefore P equal to 5 5s are 25. Okay children. So in this previous problem also do the here common the variable, because of it is a 3 terms in same variable. So it is also do the, it is a one method and it is a another method. Okay. Okay children. Next question, 8th one. 2x minus 3 by 3x plus 2 equal to minus 2 by 3. So it is directly cross multiplication. So solution, given that it is a variable terms and it is a constant term. So it is LHS and it is a RHS. So here once observe that 2x minus 3 by 3x plus 2 is equal to minus 2 by 3. So now I will do the cross multiplication. So 3 into 2x minus 3 is equal to minus 2 into 3x plus 2. Okay children. Now here it is a 3 is the multiply with the 2 terms. In bracket in terms is 2 terms multiply the 3 and at the same time. Okay. So 3 into 2x minus 3 into 3 is equal to minus 2 into 3x minus into plus minus 2 into 2. Okay. Next 3 2s are 6. 6x minus 3 3s are 9 equal to minus 2 into 3x minus 6x. Minus into plus into minus minus 2 2s are 4 minus 4. 6x, here it is also same variable is there. So negative quantity becomes to positive quantity. 6x plus 6x equal to minus 4 plus 9. It is a constant terms. I will write the variable terms are one side and a constant terms are another side. 6x plus 6x, 12x equal to minus 4 plus 9, 9 minus 4, 5. X equal to 5 by 12. Okay children. Next question, x plus 5 by 6 minus x plus 1 by 9 equal to x plus 3 by 4. It is a 11th question. So here x plus 5 by 6 minus x plus 1 by 9 equal to x plus 3 by 4. It is a LHS terms and it is a RHS terms. So now let us take a LCM. So here 6 and 9. So here 3 table is possible. 3 2s are 6 and 3 3s are 9. Here any table of possible in 2 comma 3? No. So then I will write 3 into 2 into 3. So 3 2s are 6, 6 3s are 18. So it is a LCM of 18. So divided by 18. 6 how many times of possible in 18? 3 times. 3 6 are 18. 3 into remaining numerator x plus 5 minus 9 here how many times of possible? 18 2 times. So 2 into x plus 1 equal to x plus 3 by 4. Okay, so here multiply with the inside terms. 3 into x 3x plus 3 into 5 minus 2 into x 2x plus minus into plus minus 2 into 1 by 18 is equal to x plus 3 by 4. Okay, so here 3 into x 3x plus 3 5s are 15 minus 2 into x 2x minus 2 1s are 2 by 18 is equal to x plus 3 by 4. Okay, so now I will write the x terms in side right. 3x minus 2x plus 15 minus 2. Okay children, by 18. Here once observe that variables are same and powers also same. Then do the addition or subtraction. Okay, equal to x plus 3 by 4. 3x minus 2x, x plus 15 minus 2, 13 by 18 is equal to x plus 3 by 4. Okay children, 3x minus 2x, x plus 15 minus 2, 13 by 18 equal to x plus 3 by 4. Here do the cross multiplication. So here 4 into x plus 13 is equal to 18 into x plus 3. Okay, so here multiply the inside terms. 4 into x plus 4 into 13 is equal to 18 into x plus 18 into 3. So 4 into x 4x plus 13 4s are 52 is equal to 18 into x 18x plus 18 3s are 3 8s are 24, 3 1s are 2, 3 plus 2 5 54. So here now I will write here x terms. So 4x minus 18x because of positive quantity becomes to negative quantity is equal to 54 constant term minus 52. So 4x minus 14x 18x minus 14x because of here big term is the symbol is the negative is this, so minus 14x equal to 54 minus 52 2. So x equal to minus 2 by 14. Here multiplication quantity becomes to divided by quantity. 2 1s are 2, 2 7s are 14. Therefore x equal to minus 1 by 7. Okay children. Next question, second one. What number is that of which the third part exceeds the fifth part by 4? Listen carefully. What number is that of which the third part exceeds the fifth part by 4? Here did not give the any number, but you find the number first. Okay children. So solution. Let the number be x. Let the number is x. Okay, here once observe that of which the third part, because of here 1/3 of a number of a number. So already how to take the number is the x. So 1/3 part means 1/3 into x. So here x by 3. Same time of fifth part. 1/5. 1/5 of a number equal to 1/5 into x, that is equal to x by 5. Okay children, according to the problem, here once observe that of which the third part exceeds the fifth part. Third part exceeds the fifth part by 4. Here write. According to the problem. Okay, so here x by 3 minus x by 5 equal to 4. Okay, here according to the problem, the third part exceeds the fifth part by 4. Okay children, now here take the LCM. Take LCM. 3, 5. Once observe that here two odd numbers are there. It is not possible of any table. Only itself only. Okay. Now 3 into 5 LCM. 3 5s are 15. So here take the LCM 15. 3, how many times of possible in 15? 5 times. So 5 into numerator is the x. 5 into x minus 5, how many times of possible in 15? 3 times. 3 into x is equal to 4. 5x minus 3x. 5 into x. 5x minus 3 into x. 3x by 15 is equal to 4. 5x minus 3x. 2x by 15 equal to 4. So do the cross multiplication. So 2x into 1 equal to 4 into 15. 2x into 1 is 2x is equal to 4 into 15. So here multiplication quantity becomes to divided by quantity. 15 by 2. How many times of possible? 2 times. 2 2s are 4. X equal to 2 into 15. Therefore, x equal to 15 2s are 30. 15 2s are 30. Okay children. Then what is the number? What is the x here? The number. Take the number x. Okay. So, the number is x. The number is x.